Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Well, in today's video, we're going to see how to make authentic Thai red curry chicken with homemade Thai red curry paste, which is so easy to make and tastes delicious than the ready-made store-bought ones. Bursting with fresh aromatic flavors, this Thai red curry chicken with veggies stewed in a delicious creamy coconut red curry sauce is so good to enjoy with steamed rice. So let's begin with this amazing recipe, which is one of my favorite. So first we'll make preparations of the ingredients to make the red curry paste. Here I have taken a lemongrass stalk. We'll cut the green leafy part. This can be used to add flavors to soups, tea, curries. Next we'll remove the thick rough layers. And now we need to thinly slice the soft stem part so that it grinds easily in the grinder when we make the red curry paste. This will be enough. We'll transfer this to a bowl. Then you will need Thai ginger or galangal. Galangal and ginger may come from the same family, but in terms of taste, they are completely different. Galangal is peppery, citrusy and earthy, while ginger is fresh and spicy with a hint of sweetness. And unlike ginger, galangal has a hard, woody texture with a firm interior. So I have chopped 1 inch of galangal, and now with the help of a grater, we will grate the galangal. So this should be enough. And I have managed to collect 1 tablespoon of grated galangal. These are Kaffir lime leaves, renowned for their intense citrusy aroma and flavor. They impart a refreshing zesty scent reminiscent of lime, lemon and a hint of floral notes. We'll fold and roll 2 Kaffir lime leaves and then thinly slice them. And this is also done. And here in this bowl I've taken 12 dry red chillies soaked in hot water for half an hour so that we can get a fine paste out of it. And now I'm going to roughly chop them. You can include dry red chillies as per your spice level, or if you want a milder flavor, then you can include half of a red bell pepper and 4 to 5 dry red chillies. Also, I'm going to include 4 to 5 Thai bird's eye chili dipped in vinegar water so they are less spicy now. And here I've displayed the wet ingredients to make the Thai red curry paste. And now quickly we'll add all the ingredients one by one into a mixer grinder. Here goes the roughly chopped dry red chili soaked in warm water. Next I'm adding here 3 to 4 shallots roughly chopped. Next goes 4 to 5 large garlic pods, the finely sliced lemongrass, 1 tablespoon of the grated galangal, some coriander roots as well as their soft stems, the chopped kaffir lime leaves, as well as the juice of half a lemon. For seasoning goes half teaspoon of salt as per taste, half teaspoon of white pepper, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and a splash of the water where I had soaked the red chilies. And I have not added dried shrimp paste here, so those who want to make veg Thai red curry, you can definitely use this paste. And now we will grind this into a smooth paste. Let's check this now. And our aromatic spicy Thai red curry paste is ready. We'll transfer this to a bowl. This paste is already smelling so good. And now we shall start making our Thai red curry chicken. For that I have taken here boneless breast and thigh, thinly sliced like this into medium portions. And now let's start with the cooking process. We'll heat a pan and into it goes just a teaspoon of vegetable oil. We'll spread the oil on all the sides of the pan, and when the oil is hot enough, we will add 3 tablespoons of the Thai red curry paste. And on medium flame, we will saute this well for 1 to 2 minutes by stirring this continuously. And once the paste has been well sauteed, we will add the chicken slices. We'll now stir the chicken for a few seconds until the color slightly changes. Into this we'll add some veggies now. Here goes some baby corn sliced diagonally into medium portions, some French beans sliced diagonally. And we'll season the veggies and the chicken with some salt as per taste and some black pepper. We'll mix the seasoning well with the chicken and the veggies and we'll saute them for another 1 minute on medium flame. And now time to add the coconut milk, say around 1 cup of thick coconut milk. We'll mix this well so that the red curry paste is well combined with the coconut milk. And as the curry starts to simmer, we will reduce the flame to low, and now we will cover and let this cook on low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. Let's check this now. So as you can see, our gravy has thickened by now. Finally, we'll add few lemongrass cut diagonally, red and yellow bell peppers cut into juliennes. We've added the bell peppers at the end so that they retain their crunch and bright color. Then goes a teaspoon of fish sauce, half teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors, and few Kaffir lime leaves which will elevate the dish to next level. We'll gently mix this once. And our dish is almost ready, bursting with fresh aromatic flavors. And after turning off the flame, just before serving, we will add some fresh basil leaf, which will further enhance the flavor of our red Thai curry. That's it. So friends, do try this delicious and flavorful Thai red curry chicken, which is best to enjoy with hot steamed rice. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.